Today I'm doing a photo shoot with my friend Bree. We're gonna be wearing a black Flynezz tee. I got the white one back there. It's pretty cold out there, so we're gonna take the photos as fast as we can so we won't freeze out here. The wind out here is crazy. It's blowing super hard, so we're gonna get it done as fast as we can. I'm about to head over there right now. Stay tuned. Bree showed up.
Hello.
I just got the Flynezz on. Look at dope, look at dope. Alright, we're about to knock out this photo shoot. Stay tuned. How you like this shirt?
It's amazing. It's very comfortable. Looks stylish. You can wear it wherever you want.
Nice, nice. Yep, so we knocking out this photo shoot. Bree is killing it. Can't wait to show everybody the photos. How you like the photos?
They came out perfect. You guys have to wait.
Alright, stay tuned. Got Bree over there. She got over there. What's your?
How amazing this is.
Looks good. Nice. All right, time to eat. Yesterday I had a photo shoot with my friend Bree. It was super windy, so we moved the photo shoot to the underground parking lot, which was a great decision because we had no interruptions. There was no cars around. The lighting was good. All the photos came out super bomb. It was a great shoot. I only been knowing Bree for like over a month now, and every single time we set a photo shoot date, she's there. She's ready to work. No matter what the weather is, it can be hot, it can be cold, it can be super windy, and she's gonna do what she gotta do and get the photos done, period. I got a lot more work to do with Bree. We got a lot more projects coming out. You just gotta stay tuned to see them all. All right, I'm with Bryan.
Hey,
We about to have a, yep. He just got back from New York,
yes.
fashion show for the We Party brand.
Right.
So he's doing big moves. We about to have a meeting right now. About to go in here, get something to eat, get something to drink, chop it up. Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, you got some stuff in there? Oh, we gotta check it out in there.
Droopy on the beat.
Everything haven't worked on marketing. But you have different people part of the group and everything. It helps so much better. Man.
That's why I've been trying to help you even like go to LA and stuff.
I did mine before everybody, and I was the last one.
That's right, because it's easier to make, quicker to make.
I'm having a great birthday dinner. I'm having chicken and shrimp pasta. Wow, that's looking good. Chicken and shrimp pasta. Yep. Cheers.
Yes, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Oh, I gotta take it away. Thank you. Y'all look like well done.
About to get my windows tinted. It's time. I'm going for 15%. Get it nice, get it dark, make it look a little better, you know what I'm saying? Clear windows played out, so time to upgrade. Photo shoot with Bree. BJ pulled up in a slingshot for his birthday week. That's how you do it. Gotta treat yourself. Work hard.
Yes, sir.
Work hard, play hard. So my brother sent me a text message saying, I got something I know you would love making content with. I'm getting it tomorrow. I said, I wonder what you're getting. He said, you'll see. The next day, he pulls up in a slingshot. Man, this thing is crazy. Super fast. Nuts. What you got for your birthday?
Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Oh, snap.
Oh, snap. Oh, okay.
The Magic Man.
The Magic.
Yes, sir.
That's tight.
The greatest Laker of all time. 1A, and Kobe is 1B.
That's tight.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's up, man? Happy birthday.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Yes, sir. This is going on my mantle.
Every time you watch Showtime.
Yeah. I got to catch up on that, too.
I'm missing a couple episodes.
I'm actually going to watch it when I get home. Thanks for reminding me.
Missing a couple episodes.
You hear me, man?
Happy birthday, Cuzzo.
Thank you.
All right,
What's up, world?
All right.
A pick six, but it was a fumble six.
Oh, this is what we drinking tonight.
Oh,
nigga.
shit.
And we got Mimi's birthday. Big ass Don Julio. Shirt matching the slingshot. Got the blue in it.
All day.
You match it. You match
All day.
it. J's on them.
Wait, you want? Because I don't get the whole card.
What is the whole car?
I don't have
Got
you.
BJ over there. Chilling, you know what I'm saying? Birthday, your birthday. Emmy's birthday, Greg's
Oh, you
birthday.
got it for your birthday?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
your birthday was right now. Oh, your birthday was on 6.
Yep.
Got Daniel over here taking photos. Photographer.
I'm trying to keep out my shadow.
Oh yeah, my
out.
shadow. That's why. Let me move over here.
Damn it.
God damn it!
You about to drive it?
I'm about to get in this shit too. Hold on, let me in.
I ain't looking at it.
Time to get in.
He pulled this motherfucker up. It must have been for me.
You don't leave it, right?
I may have to go get my girlfriend.
Be for me to drive it.
Slingshot time.
Yeah, I gave it back to somebody. I gave you keys off.
Yeah.
This one, right?
Yep.
Oh. Let's go. Oh, okay. Bust a donut on that mug. That's it. What, you about to back up?
Yeah, that's what I want him to do because I don't want to do no turn.
Right.
You know what you're doing?
It's just a regular stick like a car.
Stick.
Right?
Yep, get in, girl. Get in with her.
Yeah, it's good you wouldn't sit out there.
Yeah. It's just like a stick shit.
But the only thing is, why am I so far back?
Yeah.
Put the brake down.
Oh, I didn't leave the brake on.
Come to that.
There you go.
Make sure the wheels are straight.
We at Top Golf right now. About to do some golfing. About to hit the balls out there. Let's go.
But don't drink your drink yet, sometimes your toes.
Don't you drink that. Don't you drink that.
Give me your treat.
Yeah, Trina. Do that dance.
Oh yeah, I know y'all want these. I ain't got these. Ain't too many motherfuckers got these. They don't want to spend the 350, 360, 400 for them.
Thank you.
It's not well done. Or I did that my first time at 8. You know the chef
Yes, sir.
Mom.
These last 4 months has been busy, especially April, because it was my brother's birthday on the 6th and my cousin's birthday on the 10th. As you see in the video, my brother pulled up in a slingshot. We went to Hell's Kitchen, Top Golf, just having a great time, enjoying each other and just laughing, joking, and doing crazy stuff. So basically, this is what you're going to be seeing on this show. Me collaborating with people, me going places, photo shoots, eating at restaurants, and just living that life I want to live. So stay tuned for the next episode. Episode 2 will be coming out soon, so you got to come back and check it out. All right, until next time.